Welcome to my YouTube channel Daily Breaking News. Where's Marco Tamura Rabbit? A brawl broke out during the program. Five popular comedians top it. Yuka Abihara, Akikukuji, Sentaru Murayama. And where's that happened today on 23rd of July 2024 when that happened, and where's it is a very sad moment, and that moment should not have happened today, but it happened when a brawl broke out during the program. Check out, guys, it is a must watch moment which happened today.